Do you want to know how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop? You can easily download Roblox from your official website, roblox.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that without a sweat. Let's get started. So, first, open up a web browser such as Google Chrome, and then navigate to roblox.com, and then log in to your account by providing your username and password. Now select any of the Roblox games. I'm going to select this one right here. Then click on this big play button right here, as you don't have Roblox installed yet, so rather than opening it up, it's going to give you the option to download and install. So go ahead and select this option. Then you just need to save the file on your computer. Now open up the file that you just downloaded. As you can see, Roblox will begin installing on your PC or laptop. Once it's done, it'll say Roblox is successfully done. Go ahead and select OK. Then just go back to the game and hit the play button. Then you may get something that says choose an application to open the Roblox. Make sure you choose the Roblox, then open link. Then you can see Roblox is starting. Now you can play any Roblox games on your PC or laptop. So that's how you can download and install Roblox on your laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.